Over. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. The diamond.
Hello, this is Blue, the newest member of the TrailMeister herd. Hi, I'm Robert. During most years, I spend the summer trail riding and camping across the nation, from front country glamping to backcountry wilderness adventures. During the rest of the year, I teach trail riding and horse camping clinics, where I get to share my knowledge to help you enjoy the great outdoors. Before we get too much further though, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Blue here would sure appreciate it. Over the eons, horse and mule packing has developed into both an art and a science, and most packers take a lot of pride in both their animals and in their ability to load them in a professional manner. But those skills don't come easy. They take a lot of time, study, practice, and actual packing. While I prefer to practice my skills with Ellie and Coco, sometimes it's just a lot easier to roll out Blue than it is to catch, groom, and clean up one of the girls. Yeah, I'm lazy that way.
Damn it.
I'd also much rather make a mistake on Blue here than Ellie or Coco. The girls have a hard enough job without me pestering them unnecessarily. And Blue doesn't really mind. I designed Blue for use at my live camping and packing clinics where I really couldn't take a live critter. I based her design on a model by a backcountry Horsemen of Washington member, Marty B. Marty, thank you so much for the insights. So here's what went into the making of Blue. Her body is a plastic 50-gallon drum that I cut a wedge in so that she's more mule-shaped rather than barrel-shaped. Think of it as oval versus round. I also attached plywood ovals to the front and the back of Blue, and those ovals give me some structure to attach her head and her legs and her tail to. The tail is simply some rope that I unraveled, because you gotta have a tail, and Blue's head is just cut from plywood, and I used some angle iron to slide into her shoulders here. Blue's ears were triangles that I cut from fire hose material, and yeah, they fell off. I need to find a better way to attach them permanently. Blue's legs are simply 2x4s that I cut to the proper length and angle. I could have probably gone a little bit shorter than I did. And her feet are Cavallo hoof boots because they are snazzy. Blue's legs are also held on by 2 carriage bolts so that she can come apart. For me, the best thing about Blue is that everything about her packs inside this barrel, which makes for really easy transport. And that's really all there is about Blue. She's really pretty simple. Well, there you go. I hope that Blue has inspired you to further develop your camping skills and helps you enjoy a lifetime of horse camping adventures. Thanks for watching. For more information on trail riding and camping with horses, as well as the largest guide to horse trails and camps in the world, give us a visit at TrailMeister.com. And again, please click those like, share, and subscribe buttons. Blue here would sure appreciate it.